Alright guys, I picked up this grass flap for my Toro Timecutter MX4200. This is not an installation video. I'm going to show me doing some of that. This is mainly just a quick review about the process and what I thought about it. I emailed the customer service to make sure I was going to order the right one for my mower. Gave them the model number. They told me which one I needed, and they advised me that I was going to have to drill 2 holes in the deck to make this fit. Wasn't bad. If you've drilled holes in metal before, it's pretty simple to do. The deck material on this, I believe, is 10 gauge, so it's not too thick, but each mower is different. It came with these spacer bushings, which I used just to make things fit kind of how you want them. You got to make a couple cuts on this flap. It's like rubber or something. You got to heat it up with a heat gun and kind of bend it if you need it to be curved, which I did. Overall, this was easy to install. The part that took the longest was just what I'm doing here, just lining things up, making sure that it was sitting where I wanted to sit before I drilled the holes. Everything around that was pretty simple and straightforward. If you just follow the instructions, and they give you a QR code with a link to their YouTube channel, which shows videos on how to install it on different mowers. This little red strip right here was something I didn't really understand about the directions. They had me drill in and attach that backing piece, that flap, first, and then it was too high up to the hinges and I couldn't get this strip in there. So I would just say get the strip cut how you want it first, and then put the little attachments in the back of that flap there. One more thing to mention, I didn't have to really drill holes, but the 2 holes I used to mount this pedal here, you can see those 2 bolts. I had to make those holes just a little bit bigger for those bolts to fit in. I just took a drill bit, just zapped them real quick, and the bolts went right in. I used some zip ties to secure the cable under the deck so it's out of the way of everything. Overall, I'm real happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching.